Okay, my name is Shishir Pradhan, and I'm doing this presentation on do the plants have feelings too? I chose this topic because my first job was in floriculture, where I had to work with different flowers like roses and carnations. Uh, we usually at that time we exported about 30,000 cut flower roses to different countries like Japan, Europe, not, and at that time I saw the flowers, how that flowers uh, used to feel, like how they reacted in different environments. So, so as you know that what plants are, right? Plants are living things that grow on land and in water. So there are two different types of plants: flowering plants like roses, carnations, and non-flowering plants like ferns, which have only the leaves. So they make a food from sun energy. They also breathe. They give out carbon dioxide and absorb oxygen. So I was checking the number of plants that we have in the world right now, and there was not a complete answer. The estimated total number of plants is about 400,000 species right now. So like the human has a life cycle, plants also has a life cycle. Like you show the seeds are grown into small plants, then a bigger plant, then again they die and become a seed, and then again it's a circle. Okay. Next. During my job in that floriculture company, I realized that it was an American technology company, and we had about 12 polyhouses, greenhouses, and one greenhouse was more bigger than this building, and we had about 14 varieties of roses and 16 varieties of carnation flowers. So we had in the polyhouse there was a misting and fogging system. There used to be mist, there used to be fogging, and we had a music played in the background of that polyhouses. And what I realized is that where the music came, the flower used to turn on that side. So from that experience, I came to know that plants react to the music. Okay, so there has been many research study on this subject, and one of the Indian guy, he did a research, and the conclusion was that when the music was played, the plants showed maximum elongation of shoot. The flower, if there was two flowers, maybe 3 or 4 flowers used to grow because of the music. And the main reaction was when they played classical music. Okay, so people nowadays they talk with the plants and also play Mozart for them so that they can grow healthy. And in one research, they have also discovered that plants can hear when they are chewed on. When some insects like caterpillars, they eat the plants, they can hear the sound and they can react to that chewing, and they can defend themselves. One doctor, Dr. Mercola, was trying to find this research, and he went to his garden and he saw the caterpillar chewing. But what he found that he saw plenty of leaves being chewed, but only in one part, and most of the leaves was okay. So that was a study that he made, and he came to the conclusion that the plants can hear and defend itself. Okay, the next slide is on plants can feel. Like Michael Pollan, he is an author of 2 books, said that plants have all the same senses as humans. they can sense gravity, presence of water, or even feel that an obstruction is in the way of its roots before coming into contact with them. The plants can also change directions. Okay? Plants have the ability to respond to 15 to 20 environmental variables, like when there's car moving on, people going on, they can change the directions. So I don't know whether you have seen this plant or not, but I have seen this plant. This plant is called Mimosa prudenca. It's a plant like if you touch, it closes itself,
Yeah.
Touch me not.
Touch me not. Yeah, touch me not. So you can see this video.
Oh yeah. We have those in the Philippines.
So whether the plant can feel or not, so this experiment was done by one of the doctors called Monica on this plant, and she touched 4 or 5 times after 2 or 3 seconds, and it collapsed, But after 5 or 6 times, it didn't collapse. The plant didn't, leaf didn't collapse. So from that conclusion, from that experiments, he came to know that plants do have some kind of feelings and can sense something, that and defend itself. Basically, they are not sighing, as we say. They are just trying to defend itself. Okay.
Down at the
Thank you.
bottom. Okay.